If you receive a call from an unknown source asking to wire money, odds are it's probably a scam. That's according to the Bay County Sheriff's Office, who's been investigating numerous cases involving people posing as law enforcement officers, IRS officials, and representatives from Microsoft. News Channel 7's Zach Dahlheimer spoke to investigators today who are putting the word out to protect you from getting scammed.
Enter some of your credit card information or personal information.
It's been a busy couple of months at the Bay County Sheriff's Office. Deputies say the phones have been ringing off the hook with people saying they've been scammed for money. According to investigators, one scam involves people posing as law enforcement officers, telling the caller they've failed to appear for jury duty and now have to pay a large sum of money to avoid an arrest warrant.
We've had some people that said they could not pay the $1,948, and the guy would come back on the phone and say, well, listen, we'll reduce it to $1,000 if you'll pay that particular fine.
Both Vecker and Major Tommy Ford have been helping lead the investigations, hoping to protect people from falling victim to a multi-billion-dollar scamming business that's leaving its mark on Northwest Florida.
These people are professionals that are calling, and they prey on people's fears and sense of urgency for people to fall for these type of scams.
Both Ford and Vecker say a majority of the calls have been made through what they're calling spoofed numbers, meaning that the numbers can't be traced back to their original source. They say these calls have been made from all around the world, with some even having an 850 area code. So investigators say if your phone starts to ring, it's always safe to check before falling into a scam.
I would say 9 times out of 10, if somebody's calling you and asking you to wire them money for a purpose, especially if it's something where they're attempting to scare you into doing it, it's going to be a scam.
For News Channel 7, I'm Zach Dahlheimer.
According to the Sheriff's Office, about 6 to 8 people in the area have been scammed into giving money over the phone. Both Ford and Vecker say law enforcement officers, IRS officials, and Microsoft employees are never to ask for money over the phone. If you receive an unknown call asking for money or other personal information, hang up immediately and contact law enforcement.